You're listening to this video because you are contemplating my special offer for a fast track through the Thinking into Results program. Now, I realize that you didn't wake up today and say, I'm going to go shopping for a coaching program or a coach. That's not likely that you did that. But you may have woke up today thinking about your life, or maybe over the last few months or the last week, you've thought about you're ready for a change. Maybe you want more in your life. Maybe every day in your career or your job feels like Groundhog Day, and you know that you want more. You know that you want to make a change, but you don't know exactly how to do that. Thinking into Results is a set of information that I think you must know. Everyone should understand this, but it will help you lead you from where you are today to where you want to be. Even if you're not clear where you want to be today, it can help you sort that out as well. And because we're talking about issues in your subconscious mind, the path forward is not always clear. You can't see what's holding you back. That's why you need someone to work with you, a third party to objectively evaluate where you are, where you want to go, and help you lay out the groundwork on how to get there.